have a new pocket page. Number 3, arrow pointing up. Number 4, arrow pointing up. Okay, this is a really simple page. Okay, so this is just horizontal pockets. So there and there. Right, so the black card, this is your first horizontal pocket, and you're going to stick that onto there like that. Again, just give it a little tiny stretch, doesn't need very much, just to soften it a little bit. I'm just going around the edges as well. Okay, and then we're going to stick that as a pocket. So you only want to stick 3 sides. Okay, I'm going to pop that on there like that. Make sure the hinge is okay. Okay, so then you're going to take your purple, and you're going to pop that, in fact, before you stick that, go back, I was ahead of myself, you want to stick this bit first. So, don't do what I just did, do this. Okay, so we're going to stick that one first. So that's going onto your base page. Then you're going to pop your base pocket on underneath. Pull your page a bit. And remember, if you stick it on a wonk, which you can see that is stuck on at a wonk there, don't panic and think, oh, I need to take that paper off and stuff. Just take your pen, black marker pen, and just run it down there, and you'll see you've got a nice even edge, and you can do it there as well if you want. I'm using a Sharpie today. Usually I use my Zig pens, but I forgot to bring one. But there. Kay's always very rude about that. She says it's cheating, but I noticed that she does it now, so I'm saying nothing. Okay, so that's that on there. Then you want this to go there, but you're actually going to have a decorative edge just on the edge, and you can see I've marked a little arrow on the paper because I want to make sure it's going the right way, because it's such a tiny sliver, but the flowers are hanging down, which is how they are in this pattern. So we're going to stick that next. We'll pop that on there. And this isn't mounted on black card because sometimes another page can catch on it. So it's just really just to give a decorative edge. We'll just pop that on there. Okay. And then you're going to butt that one up to it, next to it there, like that. Put that in there, like that. Okay, and you can see you've got to make sure you burnish it well, but you've got a really beautiful join there. It's seamless almost. I know it's a different pattern, but it just fits so nicely. Then you're going to take your last little horizontal pocket, and you're going to stick that onto there like that. Okay, and then give that a little teeny tiny stretch. Make sure your flowers are facing down. Glue on 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not into the hinge, so make sure the hinge can move. That's on there like that. Okay, so that will be your little pockets there and there. That's that's it, and then just leave that to set. Right, and then you can see with the colours that we've got, so page 2 and page 3, as you look at them, if you can see bits of glue there, you can just rub them off, a bit more, okay, but you can see as it's picking up, because you've got the same patterns there, it's corresponding, so it's all matching, and then when you open up here, you've got the purples that are picking up the purples there, so it's all works really well together. So